Are you new to Amazon FBA? Don't let shipment creation slow you down. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you exactly how to create a shipment on Amazon. And if you stay until the end of the video, I'm going to be giving you a few pro tips that's going to help you in your inventory Amazon FBA journey. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO and founder of EHP Consulting Group. My goal is to make you a millionaire and ensure you stay a millionaire on Amazon. Let's dive in. Step number one is to find the product that you want to ship into Amazon. So you're going to log into your Amazon Seller Central account. You're going to go to inventory, manage all inventory, and you're going to find that product you want to ship in. Of course, the first thing you need to do is change to fulfilled by Amazon. So you're going to click this button, make sure it says change to fulfilled by Amazon. If it's already changed, then there should be a button that says send or replenish inventory. You can also click on that one. But right now we're going to change to fulfilled by Amazon. It's going to take us to this page and it's going to say your barcode type. So you can use a manufacturer barcode or you can use an SKU code. So manufacturer barcode is a UPC code and an Amazon barcode is an SKU code. Amazon will give you these, but let's just go and click add dangerous goods. Is your product dangerous? No. And then you're going to click submit. After you click submit, there's going to be an option. Let's do this. List as FBA and send to Amazon. So you're going to click that button. You're going to ship it to Amazon. Make sure you put the correct ship from address. And now you're going to put what you want in here. So let's say you want to send individual units. And how many units do you want to send? Let's say we want to send 50 units into Amazon, right? Your expiration, so this is a supplement, so we actually have to put an expiration date in November of 2025. Now you're gonna click ready to pack, and then here are the barcodes that you need on your product. So you can click print all SKU labels, and you're gonna print them. And here are the ones, so just like when you go to the grocery store, they gotta scan your item. If it's a manufacturer barcode, that's your UPC code. So make sure your UPC code is on each unit. If it's an Amazon barcode, it has to be this. It's gonna start with the letter X 99% of the time. So you can see here's the F and SKU, and I have to have one of these on all of the products. If my product already has a UPC code, I need to put this over it. You can find sticky labels on Amazon. Just type in Avery, A-V-E-R-Y. Labels, and then you can just print these out on your printer and they'll be like little stickers. You can just take them off and stick them on. Super easy. So you just need these because it's going to help Amazon. If you don't want to do this, you can actually have Amazon barcode it for you. So if we go back really quick to modify or to add it, you can click this edit button. And then you're going to click who labels the units? Amazon. You can have Amazon label the units for you for 55 cents a piece. Anyway, let's go back to what we were talking about. We're going to go ready to pack. Now you have everything labeled. It's good to go. Now you're going to click pack individual units. And I recommend to do, you can do everything to fit into one box, right? There's only 50 bottles, so everything can fit in one box. You're going to put the box dimensions. You're going to put the box weight. Confirm the package information, confirm and continue. Sometimes they give you like a warning that Amazon thinks that you put in the wrong dimensions of the box. And now Amazon's asking for the ship date. When are you going to ship it out? This really helps Amazon. So let's just say I'm going to ship it out on Tuesday. Here it is. SPD, that means I'm just pretty much shipping it to UPS. So I'm going to bring it to UPS, one box, good to go. If you're doing a whole pallet, so you want a truck to come and pick up the units, you're going to do the LTL, this button. That's only if you're shipping a lot of units in and it has to be on a pallet. And then Amazon will actually send a freight company to come over and pick up the pallet. And this one is just for if you're just sending individual boxes. Okay, right now it's $11. You can also choose a non-partnered carrier, but I always recommend using Amazon's partnered carrier for everything. And then there it is. You're going to accept charges and confirm shipping. After this, Amazon's going to send you a UPS shipping label. You put it on the outs, you put all the 50 units inside the box, slap this on the outside of the box, bring it to UPS, and you are good to go. After this, you can just track the shipment simply going into inventory and then your shipments tab, and you can track and see how long it takes Amazon to actually check in the units. Sometimes it does take Amazon 30 days to fully check in the units, so be prepared and you can just check the shipments tab. Awesome, so thank you for staying till the end of the video, and now I'm gonna be giving you some extra pro inventory tips that you need to know before sending in your first product. And if you can just go to shipping and routing requirements, put that in the search bar and you'll find this page. This is Amazon's OG shipment page that you may not know about. So pretty much if you are sending pallets into Amazon, make sure it's a closed pallet, make sure it's not an open pallet, right? Because then things could fall out or could get wet. Another thing is going to be boxes should not exceed 50 pounds. So if we go to 50, so this is a big thing that's been happening a lot. If we scroll down, let me just scroll up, but boxes must not exceed these maximum size and weight requirements. No more than 25 inches on any side and no more than 50 pounds total, unless the box contains an individual oversized item that exceeds these limits. So if you're selling just one big fridge, that's fine. But if you're sending multiple units, each box cannot weigh more than 50 pounds. Amazon, that's a no-no, right? If you mess up the first time, it's okay, but you can't be messing up every single time, or Amazon will say, hey, you can't send in inventory anymore, right? But so just make sure each box, no more than 25 inches on one side, so it can be 24 by 24 by 24, each box, and then make sure each box weighs less than 50 units. Another thing is going to be, each box should have, it's not listed here, but it should have only 150 units per box. So if you're selling very, very small items, let's say you're selling individual tennis balls, right? And you can fit more than 150 in a box and it weighs less than 50 pounds, don't fit more than 150 per box, right? Because then Amazon won't check it in or it'll be delayed, right? So the top 3 things I want you to take away is I want you to read this section, just type this in, shipping and routing requirements, and read this fully so you understand it. But the big takeaways is number 1, make sure each box weighs less than 50 pounds. Number 2, make sure each box has less than 150 units. Number 3, make sure no more than 25 inches on any side of the boxes that you ship into Amazon. And that should help you with your Amazon journey. Of course, if you learned something new from this video, please do drop a like. And if you're an Amazon seller, I highly recommend you subscribe to this channel because we're giving you great how-to videos that's going to help you in your Amazon journey. Leave a comment below if you want us to create a video for you. And if you need help selling on Amazon, eBay, Walmart, or Etsy, contact EHP Consulting Group. Our #1 service is full A to Z account management, where we'll manage your customer service, advertising, inventory, and help you increase your sales. Contact us, the link is in the description. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO and founder of EHP Consulting Group, and I'm signing out.